Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unpause music while recording on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this three lines here and now click settings, now click shot settings, and now here you will find pause music while recording. Just click on it like this and it will be unpaused. And that's it for today. That's how to unpause music while recording, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.